Hi everybody, welcome to the lifetime warranty page of Albuquerque Phone Repair. In this little video, we'll explain our lifetime warranty policy to you. Although we ensure that we always have the highest quality screens for mobile devices such as phones, iPads, tablets, and laptops, there might still be manufacturing problems with screens. Our local cell phone repair store in Albuquerque provides a lifetime warranty on phones, iPads, and tablet screens to maximize our customers' satisfaction. Even though it looks new, suppose there are problems with your newly installed screen, such as not registering your finger movements, opening random apps, or responding differently than your inputs. No worries. Albuquerque Phone Repair has already provided a lifetime warranty for that screen. All you need to do is contact our store. We will schedule a free warranty repair immediately. Screens that look new but do not register finger movements, have ghost touches, or open random apps are under a lifetime warranty. As soon as you realize your device's screen is acting up, immediately contact our store. One of our technicians will be present to diagnose your device. What is not under warranty? Screens that look worn or used, have cracks, tears, breaks, dents, and scratches, and have discoloration, colorful lines, black spotches, or entirely blacked out screens will void the warranty, even if the glass looks new. For more details, call us at 505-336-1907 or visit our store today. Albuquerque Phone Repair. Stay connected.